we must apply.
Beware of ambush. Need it.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet. In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst. Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
You destroyed a turret. Our turret is under attack.
Ay ko.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Magbali ang Lego, baby. Pabigat ito. Diyos ko. Bigat
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Slain an enemy.
I could not see anything. Darkness.
Oh, huwag mo ka lang mag-bebe.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Diba? Nilagay ko na nga dyan eh.
Under attack. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Ally has been double kill.
Awan ng butuki. Sige, ikaw pa dito.
Launch attack.
Butuki.
Gather at the turtle.
Hindi ka na. Ayan. Ano hindi na ilang bago?
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Killing spree. An ally has
Everybody
slain
has
the
to start
turtle.
somewhere. In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner. Everybody has to start somewhere.
Double kill. Triple kill. Launch attack.
Halika, be.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Godlike.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Slain.
Putik ka, tol. Putik kayo. Putik ka, tol.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Putik ka, ha?
Turret is
Putik
under
ka.
attack. Our turret has
Putik
been
ka.
destroyed.
Putik kang bata ka. Sana
Our
nga
turret
rin
has
eh.
been destroyed.
Igo ka to.
Slain. Legendary.
Pipihan natin.
Replay.
Happy birthday,
Gather up the turtle.
Mag-happy birthday ko mag-isa mo. Sabi ko ba sa happy birthday
Everybody has to
mo?
start somewhere.
Our turret is under attack.
Uy, may mag-launch attack daw. Kung kaya nila.
Empty your cup in order
Uy,
to fill
may
it again.
nakita akong nag-push. Bawal po mag-i-push.
Launch attack.
Patay. Sabi sa'yo, huwag mag-push eh.
The man who can beat
Bawal
me has not been born
mag-push.
yet.
Kung ikaw ay malakas, bawal mag-push. Kaya kayo ang mamamatay. Uy, may patikwando
Boxing
pa
is not a way to
yan.
hurt somebody, but an order.
Tikwando ka wala, ha? Ta. Ay, nang agaw ka ba, ha? Agaw pa. Oy, yung ano dun. Ako muna magano dun.
Turret is under
We must
attack.
apply.
Oy. Bawal mag-push.
Legendary.
Bawal po mag-i-push.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Mega kill.
Tipitipihan na naman natin. Wow. Wow. Ako na ata MVP. Ako lang may bounty. Ayun pa naman nagtutulong.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
You destroyed the turret. Request backup.
Say ka, nagpapakita
In the
ka
world
ba?
of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Kill.
Patay! Patay ang dungol! Patay ang mga dungol! Patay ang mga
Our turret is
dungol!
under attack.
Empty your cup
Our
in order to
turret
fill
has
it
been
again.
destroyed.
Bawal mag-push eh. Ay, magpapas pag nakita ko mo. Ano? Sige, sige. Sige, sige. Sige, bakin kita. Ah,
Legendary.
sakit. Emotional damage.
Monster.
Emotional damage. Grabe ang emotional damage mo. Oy, 1-1. Nandito ako, 1-1.
Legendary.
Nawala ang 1-1. Biglang nawala ang 1-1. Ano ba yun? Biglang...
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody.
Team destroyed.
Wee! Wee! Perfect! Nawawala ang mga talaw, ah. Bakit kaya? Ako na ata MVP nito.
You destroyed a turret.
Uy! May L pa, may L
Boxing
pa.
is not a way to hurt somebody, but
May
an order.
L pa.
Legendary.
Oh! Hanjo, kaya mo
Everybody
yan,
has to
Hanjo.
start
Matapang ka. Ay, takot ang Hanjo eh.
An enemy has been double kill.
Oh, nice one. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Halos
Knowing is not
kakampi
enough.
ko, walang
We must
mga-
apply.
Target lock, uy. Hindi ako mag-target lock, uy.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Team destroyed a turret.
Papawalain natin ang soyu. Papawalain kong soyu na to.
Not knowing one's So, that's the worst.
Ay, yung alpha na lang papawala.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Legendary.
Oh, patay!
The man who can beat me has
Wala ka
not
sa akin,
been
boy. Ay, takot. Takot man yun. Takot, boy. Takot. Oy, ba't mo pinatakas?
Knowing is not enough. We must
Pinatakas
apply.
niya. Gagi. Eh, si Mikey daw. Hindi ko mawawala yung win
Everybody has
streak
to
ko,
start
tol.
somewhere.
Di mawawala ang win streak ko. Kaya ako ang win streak master.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Walang makakatalo sa win streak ko. Kung sino ka man, hindi ka makakatalo. Dahil sa siko. Ay, kung kaya mo. Uy, kain na wala yung win streak. Namatay lang ako. Okay lang yun, namatay lang ako eh. Okay lang to. Patay lang yun eh. Ako naman MVP. Ayan, totoo. Patay! Papatay.
Initiate retreat.
Uy, Dairut! Lang yung Dairut. Nandito na si Amakari Makayuda. Amakay Makayuga. Amakamay Kayuda. Poting. Amakami Kayuda.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but it's
Poting. Amami Kayuda. Amakami Kayuda. Nice one, nice one. Nice one, nice one.
not knowing oneself.
Na
That's
na
the worst.
na na nice. Na 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 na. Oy, wag kang mangagaw nang a-assist ka man, oy. Hindi ko kailangan assist mo, oy. Oh! 20 kills! Basic! 20 kills na ako. Basic. In 30 minutes, napaka-basic.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Toti. Akami kayuga. Akami kayuga.
And the world will come to
Akami kayuga. I love you.
Mega kill.
My burn! My burn!
Triple kill.
My burn na to, tol. Nabili ko na lang sa itam ko. Ako na makakapatay sa inyo. Good work. Nice one. Hey, Vic.
Ay pa, tinapon ang bag ko.
Victory.
Victory.
Ano ang mga amoy? Gagi. Ano yan? Kalong ko buman.
Na, masarap yung puti.
Ba't hindi ako MVP? Ay! Ano na ko siya makapili ng item?
Oh, masarap yung puti mo, Ben.